If you had $1,000 sitting in your bank account right now, would you drop it all into Acorns today or break it up into $20 chunks over the next few months? That's the dilemma I faced when I finally had a decent chunk of change to move from my boring savings into my aggressive Acorns portfolio. We're always told that time in the market beats timing the market, but when it's your own hard-earned money, pulling the trigger on a lump sum feels like a massive gamble. Here's the reality based on my experience and the data. The best time to make a lump sum deposit into Acorns is almost always the moment you have the money. Statistically, about 67% to 75% of the time, investing everything at once outperforms breaking it up, or dollar cost averaging. This is because Acorns is built on ETFs that track the broader market, and the market spends more time going up than it does going down. By waiting, you're just sitting on cash that's losing value to inflation while missing out on potential dividends and growth. However, I learned there is a psychological best time too. If you invest $5,000 today and the market drops 5% tomorrow, it hurts. If that kind of volatility is going to make you panic and withdraw your money, then the best time for you is actually a hybrid approach. When I have a windfall, I now stick to a 50-50 rule. I deposit half the lump sum immediately to get skin in the game, and I set up the other half to auto-invest over the next 4 weeks. It stops the analysis paralysis of waiting for a market dip that might never come. Acorns is designed for automation and long-term habits, not for day trading or catching the perfect bottom. If you're staring at a lump sum, stop waiting for a red day. Get the bulk of it in there, let the roundups handle the rest, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.